The Do Not Disturb feature gives you control over when and how you want to be updated with incoming alerts and notifications, making sure that you can get some screen off time when you need it the most. You can also program it to turn on and off automatically at scheduled intervals. All you need to do is navigate and open Settings, then tap Notifications. Next is to tap Do Not Disturb, then tap the switch next to it to turn it on. If you want to specify the duration, tap on For How Long, then choose the timing. If you frequently use Do Not Disturb at the same time of day, you can schedule the feature to turn itself on and off automatically. All you need to do is tap on Add Schedule, then select the days and set a time, then save it. Another thing you can do is set exceptions for the Do Not Disturb feature. You can allow calls and messages from specific contacts. You can also allow notifications from certain apps, as well as alarms and sounds from calendar and important reminders.